Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Windows Defender by group policy in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows Defender. Open Disable Anti-Spyware. Change value data to 0, click OK. Close and exit Registry Editor. Click Start, Control Panel. Click Windows Defender. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.